Good morning, children. Open notes. Take some coins or drawing circles. Yesterday, we studied about the relation between the two sets AB are two sets. The relation between two sets is union intersection. Now, cardinal number of A union B equal to cardinal number of A plus cardinal number of B minus. Why minus? Because common elements are in both A and B. Set A, B. Suppose we have taken some common elements 1, 2, 3. Set A, set B. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. But why we are subtracting means 1, 2, 3 are in both two sets. 1, 2, 3 in set A, 1, 2, 3 elements are in set B common. So we can express this in set builder form intersection. I will write here 4, 5, 6, here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, set A. Set A. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set A means complete this circle. Don't confuse. There are two circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there? Cardinal number of set A are 6. Cardinal number. Cardinal number of elements in set A are 6. Similarly, write set B. Set B. What are the elements? 1, 2, 3. This circle. Take this circle. Set B. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now count the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cardinal number of set B are 8. Now, A union B. Now write A union B. Combine all elements. In union, whenever you want to write union, combine all the elements in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in union, you combine all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See from 1 to 12. Cardinal number. Cardinal number is n of A union B are 12. And the next operation, intersection. Intersection. In intersection only common elements, right? In this thing. 1, 2, 3. So cardinal number of A intersection B is 3. Now sum. A union B number cardinal number 12. Right here 12. And A, how many elements are there in set A? 6. Number of elements in set B 8. And minus intersection B, how many elements are there in A intersection B? 3. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is so 9. See, 12 is equal to 15 minus 3, 12. So this is the relation between two sets A and B by writing this equation, union and intersection. Two sets. See, this union express union in secular form. A intersection B such that X is such that A union B, first write A union B. In A union B, take one element. Suppose you take one element 11. 11 is lying in set B. You take another element 6. 6 is in set A. So if one element is there, means it must be present in either A or B. There are we applied. X is such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. This is the way of writing union in secular form. Here, to take any one element in A union B, it should lie in either A or B. To take any element of union A union B, it must lie in set A or set B. There are we use this R. X belongs to A or X belongs to B. In union, to take any element, to take 8, it is there in set B. To take 3 is lying in set A. So this is the way of writing A union B in secular form. X is such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Very clear. One element, to take any one element, it should lie in either A or B. So the word we are using R. Whereas in intersection B, A intersection B, X is such that X intersection elements are 1, 2, 3. To take one element 2. 2 is in both set A and 2 is in set B, common. It is the common element in both set A and set B. See how to express this in secular form. How to write in secular form means X is such that X belongs to A, and we are writing here the word end because it is common in both. In intersection, to take one element, it should lie in both, because in intersection we write common elements. So x belongs to A and x belongs to B. This is the way of writing set-Miller form of A intersection B. For intersection we are writing AND. For union we are writing OR. See, logically we write, because in union it should lie in one set, either in A or in B. It should lie in either A or B, and we are using R. But whereas in intersection elements are common in both A and B. That's why X is an element. It belongs to A and X belongs to B, because it is common. One is common to both set A and set B. Take 2. 2 is also common both one and A and B. 3 common to set A and set B. So this is the way of writing set-Miller form of A union B and A set B. And why we are writing a minus, why not plus? Because these common elements are in both. It is in set A there are 6 elements. In set B there are 9 elements. But in union 12. In union there are 12 elements. Why this variation? Because there are 3 elements are common. That's why we are eliminating. We are subtracting. 6 plus 9 actually 15. There should be 15 elements. But why in A union B only 12? Because 3 elements are common in both. So we are taking 1, 2, 3, 3 elements we are removing. That's why we are putting minus. This is the reason. I think you might have understood this point. Why we are writing minus? Actually in set A 6 elements. In set B 9 elements. Total elements are 15. But in A union B we are getting only 12 elements. Why we are getting 12? Why not 15? Because there are 3 elements are common. They are present in both 2 sets. That's why we have to subtract. That is the reason. Now.